guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be washing my hair. As you guys know, I straightened it a month ago and I'm going to see if it converts back, because if it doesn't, I will be highly upset. But fingers crossed, it should, because I didn't use that much heat and I only did one pass. So I'm gonna just go ahead and wash it, and then I'm gonna see, or we gonna see, if we got any heat damage. All right guys, so I'm just gonna be using the Hairfinity shampoo and conditioner to wash my hair, these two, and then I'm going to deep condition with their hair mask, which is this. And then after that, I'm gonna use my curls creme brulee with cream, and I'm going to leave that in as my leave-in conditioner, and we're just gonna go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start off combing my hair after it's a little wet, just to separate the strands and distribute the product more evenly. And I'm starting off with the shampoo, as everyone does. And you might see that I'm a little generous with the shampoo just because my hair has gone a whole month without being washed. So I really want to get in there and get the extra gunk out of my hair and the dandruff and all that good stuff. Oh yeah, and shout out to Ajax for being in the background. Alright, and then I'm going to start with my repair mask or deep conditioner, whichever one you call it. And this deep conditioner is very, very thick, so I'm just going to put it in my hair, and then I'm going to add a little bit of water to kind of like get the consistency how I want it. Then I'm going to leave it on there for 5 minutes and place a bag over it just to get it working. Alright, after 5 minutes I take that bag off and I'm just going to rinse the product out. And then I will be going in with my conditioner, and I'm very generous with this. Like I said, very generous. And once again, I'm just combing the product in my hair to evenly distribute it throughout my hair. And I'm also doing a little finger detangling to get that natural vibe going for my hair strands. So after washing and conditioning, this is all the hair that came out after a month. Now this is just how I like to wash my hair. I don't know if anyone does it different, but I like to start on one side and then flip to the other side. And what this does is it makes it easier for me to distribute product through my hair, to do like a wash and go. And I do like to make sure my hair is very saturated before applying my leave-in. It just gives me more defined results. You get those ends. Gotta get those ends, ladies. Alright guys, so I don't know if you can see, but I don't see any heat damage. I don't. Actually, when I straightened my hair, I did do a trim, if you guys remember. And out of anything, that would have cut off any heat damage if I did have any. So yeah, these are my curls. I don't see any heat damage. Alright guys, so that pretty much concludes the video. As you guys see, I don't have any heat damage after straightening my hair. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video.